So I should have given you a quick garage tour. This is the back garage. I had a ton of upgrades done to this thing. I bought this garage, new garage door with the MyQ app. This is my truck. This is my 2011 Audi R8 V10 Spider that I'm doing that manual transmission conversion in, aftermarket fab speed, Valvetronic exhaust. New racing GT steering wheel should be done in 4 or 5 weeks or so, but I'll install that myself and I'll shoot a video on it. Then this is the finished side. So you got a little door that's on wheelers up there that I can move back and forth because I don't need this back part to be air conditioned. But this front part, I want air conditioned for sure because I got the Z06 and the F-Type R convertible up here and the poker tables for the guys' nights coming up that we're doing. 86-inch TV. For the leftover hexagon lights that I had, I installed this all myself. I did the race deck flooring, and you can get a, they'll let you like build your own online and then ship it, but make sure you call them because they will give you a deal rather than paying the full price online. I'll put a link in the description. I'll try to put a link in the description of where I got that, but little kitchen area, which is good. Did the extra, with the extra lighting I had left over, I built this kind of like impromptu little LED switch, did the electric work myself. This couch from my brother's house, which was absolutely disgusting and took me 2 hours to clean, but it's legit now. Then I got a little office area. Let me get that light, boom. Ooh, with the 5 hex in here too, little office space. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I should probably sell, I don't know. It came with the garage, but anyways, excellent. I also did a new roof to this building, which was sick. Was a ton of money, but just got the AC installed. So Dream Garage is utterly bulletproof. I've got some new cars I'm considering here, but for now I just got the 2019 Corvette Z06. It had 12,000 miles on it. Isn't automatic, unfortunately. Don't dog me in the comments. And then my Jaguar F-Type R, which is sick. 5-liter supercharged V8 with 550 horsepower, all-wheel drive. Then bringing it back, the Audi R8 V10 Spider is getting a facelift. But you can see I've got a couple other spots open. My truck lives there full time. I don't know, I'm considering a McLaren 570S Spider blue, like a 2018, or also a Porsche GT4, possibly. I don't know. Or I really love the 07 to 09 Shelby GT500s. I'll throw some pictures up there of what I'm thinking. Anyways, let me know what you think. That's kind of the quick garage tour. There is an upstairs, but it's just kind of like storage and attic space. It's not finished or anything. And then this is like a little parts room that is just for like storage or whatever. But overall, building's about 4,000 square feet. If you include the second floor, adds about 1,000. But overall, absolutely love the Dream Garage coming through, baby. Let me know what you think in the comments.